Hey guys, we received this NORTIV 8 shoes for test and try. As you can see, comes in a really nice box. So let me just take out from the packing and show it to you. So very nice color and the shoes with a good like the sole thickness. It's good for hiking. So let me just take out all this packing sheet so that I can show you the quality and the shoes. So you can see this look really nice with this high thick shoes things to have this comfortable grip, the meshy top and also the lacy shoes. So you can see like this will actually help while walking and then taking out some pressure. So this is a really nice thick sole here. And you can see it's a comfortable. They are really comfortable and while walking as well from all the back and things. So the sole thickness really helps with a comfortable wear. So these are a nice pair of shoes.